Monday, March 11. The beginning of the week is in store for a reporting surprise from Ballard Power Systems, a Canadian proton exchange fuel cell manufacturer. Its revenue is expected to come in at 26.2 million Canadian dollars versus the previously reported 27.56 million Canadian dollars. The firm's shares are quoted at $1.65 apiece on Nasdaq. On the same day, Japanese food manufacturer Silver Life will report its financial results. Experts speculate that the revenue figure will be lower than the previous 3.36 billion yen to 3.25 billion yen. The securities are quoted at 850 yen each on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Tuesday, March 12. Notable on Tuesday will be the presentation of financial results from United States oil and gas miner PHX Minerals. Forecasts are encouraging. $9.25 million relative to $7.53 million a quarter earlier. At the same time, the firm's share price reached $3.04 in New York trading. A little later in the day, Assicurazioni Generali, one of the largest insurance companies in Italy and Europe, will report its progress. It is likely that its revenue figure will not change and will remain at the level of €18.22 billion. The value of the giant's securities on the London Stock Exchange amounted to €21.92 per unit. Wednesday, March 13. The middle of the week will bring us the reports of the biggest market players. The first to speak will be the German automobile concern Volkswagen. It is expected to report lower revenues than 3 months earlier, €76.62 billion versus €78.85 billion. The automaker's shares are trading at €145.55 each. Following closely behind will be German multinational sportswear, footwear and accessories company Adidas, which will prepare its earnings report. It is also likely to lower the revenue figure to €6.32 billion compared to last quarter's results of around €6.42 billion. The firm's papers can be purchased at €102.83. Thursday, March 14. On March 14, the American software company Adobe Systems will report forecasts on its income. Experts put forward for $5.1 billion, while the previous reporting quarter came out at the level of $5.5 billion. Adobe shares on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange reach $551.82. Next to report earnings will be German military equipment, armaments, and automotive components manufacturer Rheinmetall. The assumptions are positive. It is expected €1.77 billion for the quarter, while previously received €1.76 billion. The securities are quoted at €426.25 apiece. Friday, March 15. Citi Trends, a discount clothing retailer, will report on the day. It is likely to improve revenues to $187.2 million, up from $179.5 million in the last fiscal. Citi Trends shares are trading at $29.10. Closing out the week's selection will be Taiwanese maker of smartphones and tablets, as well as physically immersive virtual reality devices, HTC. Its future earnings results are most likely to be lower than last week's €32.8 million to €31.84 million. In the meantime, the manufacturer's securities are available for purchase at €5.25.